Hello and welcome back to VA Wonder. Today I'll show you how to change your mouse cursor on a Windows computer, including how to switch it to presentation mode and customize the style to match your workflow. Perfect if you do screen recordings, online tutorials or client presentations. First open your Start menu, then click onto Themes and Related Settings. Now click onto Personalization, then Themes and then Mouse Cursor. In the Pointers tab, you can customize how your cursor looks. Choose one of the defaults or choose your own color. You can also adjust the size of your pointer to make it more visible, perfect for on-screen demos or screen recordings. You will also have a few extra options here below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's make sure your screen stays focused during presentations. Press the Windows key plus X, then click Mobility Center. From there, select Turn on Presentation Mode. This will stop notifications from popping up and keep your screen awake, perfect for client calls, workshops, or tutorials. That's it. Your custom pointer and presentation preferences will stay saved even after you restart your computer. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to VA Wonder for more tech and Canva tips made simple for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.